Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to check Android version in Oppo handset. First of all, go to Settings. Scroll down and find the option About Phone. Tap on this. From this page, you will see all the information about your Oppo handset. And you can see the option Android version. Tap on very quickly 3 times over Android version. And your Oppo handset is Android Nougat. Go back. And Android Nougat has the version 7.1.1. So in this way, you can check Android version in your Oppo handset. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.